As soon as I end the phone call, I prompt it to Claude Code. It creates the pull request.
Okay.
And it will clone your GitHub repository. It's really easy for it to create pull requests. They just recently released Claude Code.
I've never used it.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about something that you know already for sure, and that's Claude Code. But they just recently released Claude Code on web and mobile, by the way.
Oh,
So you also have Claude Code on mobile.
what does that do? Okay, so
What I've noticed-
I've never used it.
Yeah.
So let me guess.
Okay.
Okay, so you have like a computer and a phone,
An iPad.
an iPad.
Yeah.
And you write code. You tell your phone to do something. It will connect to your Claude Code in the computer, like live.
It can do that. That's a new feature called Dispatch.
Oh, yeah.
So I can open Claude Code, desktop version here, and I can connect to it on my phone. But the Claude Code that's not desktop version will create an environment somewhere inside Claude's infrastructure. And it will clone your GitHub repository, and it will do everything it wants to do, like searching the code base, applying changes, and do stuff. And what I love about it is that it's really easy for it to create pull requests.
So it's like you're out there and you have an idea. Tell your phone to implement the thing in a new branch,
Exactly.
and it's gonna create the branch, and you just merge it when you wake up.
And the magic is what I wanted before was to have a code editor on my phone, right? I've searched for so long for that on my iPad and on my phone. But what replaces that completely is having Claude Code create pull requests. And then the pull request you can open inside your GitHub app on your phone.
That's
and
good.
A very good experience reviewing the pull requests.
That's so cool.
Yeah, right. What's crazy about it is I'm using what I told you about, like the execution speed on it. For example, I can receive like free feedback from a phone call. As soon as I end the phone call, I prompt it to Claude Code. As soon as I got that, it creates the pull request. And what I've noticed is Claude Code works much faster on the web, on Claude's infrastructure, rather than on yours. Because yours only can have one branch active. Yeah, and it needs to do extra work if it wants to create multiple branches.
So
what
like
it will do is it will create different folders.
That's very true. So like if it changes like 100 files in your computer, it will have to do at a minimum like 100 requests to the server.
Yeah.
Like, but if it's in the architecture,
then do it inside your computer and then commit it inside your computer, and that needs extra permission. But if they do it on theirs, they have it all, and you get the PR rate.
And like the computer that writes the code, the one who also APIs in the same environment, it's much faster. And you talked about Claude Design too.
Claude Design.
You always say like it's amazing. Yeah. I want to see it, and if it's not too much for you, could we compare it to like Google Stitch?
I'm sure the experience is different because I've tried Google Stitch before. I'm sure you tried it more than I did, but here, for example, I have these folders and I want to focus on one thing for each project. So, for example, there's one of my projects for a single feature. I'm doing it here.
Okay, so it's like a notebook of some context of an application.
So I believe that if you're building UI, this is the best right now, because I was designing a reporting system. Let me show you. So this is my initial prompt. Build a reporting system for government officials to report to their chief and director. And then it asks you multiple questions. It brainstorms on your idea that's inside its system prompt, and then you answer it, right? And then you have these options from it.
It's like Shadsy and Fingerglin, I think.
But the UI and the user experience is on point. It's right there.
And it's interactive. That's the design thing.
Exactly. This is an HTML file. So there are like stages to this. So there is prompting ChatGPT to build you an UI, and there is prompting Claude. This is very good though. Prompting Claude is very good. Claude can output JSX too. It's really good, but it's not this good.
Oh, it used to like have this feature, but like not at this level of like.
Yeah, and then you can fine tune this here, and like UX, as I told you, this is very cool. Share and then send to Canva, or
what is sent to Canva?
I don't know. I haven't.
Okay,
what I've used is hand off to Claude Code.
Oh.
There is no way for you to prompt this from Claude Code. That's like some disconnect right now.
You say that, but I think that's, I will not say wrong, but
okay.
So here is how I've done it.
Tell me.
What was the name of it? I think I have
Storybook?
Storybook.
Yes.
Storybook. So it's like, I will say there is some difference in terms of like execution, and this will be like, it has a lot of skill in how to make this good, but let's say you want like Claude Code or Open Code to create 10 version of a home page. Alternative will be like /1/2 in the URL. So like path, and at /1 you have here like landing page 1, landing page 2. But if you do it like in Storybook, you'll have 100 version created by AI with different IDs, and you can look at them. Maybe 100 is too much, but if you want to like try different things, and it's a good alternative when this did not exist yet.
Yeah, okay. Let's say you want to compare that and this to Stitch. How does Stitch compare?
Stitch?
Yeah.
I've not used it that much because I don't find how to connect it directly to my workspace. I'm not really a Figma person, so I like the handoff to Claude Code, and Stitch does not really have that, but in terms of creation of IDs, it's good.
But the reason why I say that Claude Design is very much superior is here, if you want to prompt Claude Code to design something and then test it inside Storybook, well, you can do that, and that's not hard. But Claude Code is very goal-oriented.
Okay.
So as soon as it believes that it did what you asked it for, it will stay there.
That's so true.
And that's good when you know what you want.
Oh, I think you're very on point there, because one time I tried Claude Code Storybook strategy, and I told it like, create me 10 version of the home page and make every section different from the original with different copies, different IDs of UI, and it did not do it that well.
Yeah,
it was the same for some section. The only thing it can't write is like different hero IDs. Yeah, I think
let's compare that. When you have a new feature, it's not that at that time you have all the data, right? At that time you may not have everything. Let's say I want to have a dashboard on my app, okay? Send it dashboard. Okay, and here that's just the new feature, right? At this moment I might not have all that I need to know to prompt Claude Code to do it, but from here, from Claude Design, I can say, design me a very beautiful dashboard of mail app but for the government. And let's say I stay there and I tell it to, hey, work it for me. I want a beautiful dashboard. I'm already on my 96% for this week. And no, it's until tomorrow. You know, it now guides you.
Oh,
kind of government context. You see? And now
it's exactly like what I did with like Obsidian, but this is like, I would say better in a way, because it's like clickable.
Yeah. If you use like a neutral AI to do this, it might not know what to ask. But since this is like a design oriented thing, it won't think about
it's like to be able to like just match this a bit, you'll have to like have Claude Code, the brainstorm skill, front-end skill, test skills.
Exactly.
Oh, that's true.
And look at all the questions. Let's go through the question and you see if it's relevant or not. What kind of government context? Like, okay, so like it's generic, okay? Who's the primary user? Interagency, senior official, reviewing briefs and memos. Keyword, okay, let's choose this. Which features must be visible, okay? And now you expand
Oh,
your mind, like, and at the end, it's going to ask you, it's going to suggest layer structure, something that you might not have thought about.
So to be able to do this, is like different.
Master the whole dashboard and then prompt. Then it will suggest you like tweaks, and it can do like different types of it, and then you can see them, and then you can iterate on one after. It's really good.
This is very good.
Yeah. It's also expensive. It's $100, and I'm already here, even though my usage isn't that much. Well, I say isn't that much, but well, I've been doing all this during the last 6 days, so I guess it's a lot. Okay, so what else do you got for me?